so it's the power cups.
Power cups.
The gauntlets of power. All right, drivers, here we go. Race number 10. Good luck, drivers, and listen for the finish. All right, off and running, race number 10 on the track. About halfway done with all of our main events after this one. So again, like I said, we're going to finish up around 7:30, 8 o'clock at the latest with that final race. So our rest of our guys are beginners and stock buggy. The first couple of heats you guys have done before that. Should be finishing up with this one a little bit after 6 o'clock. This round of names a little bit after 6 o'clock. And then we'll start that final round. It should take only about an hour to get through that final group of names. So that was maybe around 7:30, 8 o'clock. Oh man, truck, just no luck tonight. It's a special truck. Another ball set, I think. Yeah. Hey, who'd you buy that from? You should get your money back.
This is right. This is all the... Actually, no thing. The ball truck I've been trying to buy. The gray one?
4:30 down, 3:30 to go. Down, 3:15 to go for RB. 2-second lead right now over Lee Ravel. Ravel running in that 2 spot. Ravel runs the Kyoto truck in the 2. RB in the associated truck. Out front, that orange and white leads the way. Rocking those green concepts. Rich warming power cup. Ravel running in the 2 spot. Ravel finally moving up in the world as far as radios are concerned. Going from that Spectrum GX3S to that KO Pro Helios. Going from a decent budget radio to pretty much the most expensive radio you can get.
For free.
For free.
Yeah.
Chicken sandwich, some waffle fries.
Roller
and a KO Pro radio. Free.
I know people.
Robert 22.6 hot lap. Ravel 22.7 hot lap. We're at the 230, Brandon the 231, Total 24.3. And Chuck, again, luck for Chuck. Said he's got to go through that then. I would definitely agree with him after tonight. Usually when stuff starts going down like that, we just kind of start replacing things. We've got 2 minutes left to go, drivers. 2 minutes to go. Here is still the orange, second spot is the white. Lee rocking the six-man wheel set today. White's in the rear, yellow's in the front. Got a minute and a half left to go in this one. Race number 11 now in race. Race 11, that'll be our modified and our expert stop. Again, I'm going 8-3 with you guys just to get the fun. Okay. One minute, drivers, 1 minute left. Roberts comes by the start finish line. We're going to dominate this one. RB trying to make this one more of a Ryan Mayfield victory. As uninteresting as possible is how Mayfield likes to win a race. If he can win a race by a lap and a half, he's much happier with that than, going 2/10 of a second faster than someone. Ravel still running second, and Borak running third. Borak quite a ways behind our top two. Ravel quite a ways back from RB, about 5.5 seconds, but Borak even further back than that. Borak 7 seconds down. We got 30 seconds left to go, drivers. 30 seconds.
Oh, watch the ball cup. Hey!
Oh no! And that'll do it. force an 8-3 by not winning A number 2. And that is time. Brandon Power, you are done. So RB going to still finish third spot in this race though. Revelia does with the win. Coach, you are done. Morak, you are done. And so it's going to be Gravel taking the win. Morak second, Robert third, Brandon fourth.